Ultraviolet sanitation carts are an optimal way to disinfect and sanitize large industrial and commercial areas, such as warehouses, manufacturing facilities, schools, office buildings, and medical facilities. Larson Electronics carries a wide variety of USA-made UV sanitation carts and devices for a variety of applications. Our IND UC48-6L UVC50C UV sanitation cart and IND UC48-12L UVC50C high-powered UVC sanitation cart are industrial strength and can kill up to 99% of viruses. These light carts use an output range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers of germicidal UV light. The IND UC48-6L UVC50C cart covers an area of 1,200 square feet and features 6 powerful UVC fluorescent lamps. The IND UC48-12L UVC50C covers an area of 2,400 square feet and comes with 12 powerful UVC fluorescent lamps. Both carts offer 180 degrees of coverage, and multiple carts can be used to cover a larger area with the same efficiency and effectiveness. We also have a large selection of other UV sanitation carts and devices made right here in the US that are in stock and ready to ship today. For a full selection of UV sanitation devices, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.